I'm Mahin.
Walaikum Assalam. I'm Saidul Islam. Thank you, Mahin. Mahin, how many types of coffee?
There are 4 types of coffee: Arabica, Robusta, and Arabica Excess.
You know what is the barista?
Yes. Barista creates and serve hot and cold coffee, espresso, tea, and other beverages.
Okay. What are the rules of barista?
Yes. Preparing and serving hot and cold coffee, espresso, tea, and other beverages. And serving customer and taking order. Cleaning and sanitizing area all equipment. And order receiving and distributing stock supplies. And receiving and processing customer payment. Describing the item and suggesting other products.
How to make high quality coffee?
The types of coffee I am using: coffee critical size, water temperature, coffee to water ratio, contact.
Mahin, what is the between difference cappuccino and latte?
Cappuccino more foam, less milk, and latte less foam, more milk.
Okay. Please, can you tell me some coffee name?
Yes. Espresso, doppio, longo, americano, macchiato, cortado, noisette, affogato, hot B60, hot mocha, hot chocolate, ice B60, vanilla, ice americano, ice cappuccino.
Okay. Do you know latte in coffee?
Yes.
Okay. Now you make one espresso, B60, and make some latte with.